Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is October monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Under the deck, 9 of Wands, the Moon. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. 6 of Swords, Page of Cups, and 9 of Swords. Very heavy energy. I think you are going through a lot right now, especially in night times. You are getting a lot of thoughts. You are in anxiety and depression type of energy, Scorpio. And someone is going to offer something to you. Maybe for some it could be love offer, for some it could be apology. And for some you decided to move on from this person. Yeah. Because lot of trust issues, maybe lot of illusions, fightings, arguments between you and your person. You are guarded up. Yes, right now you are guarded up and lot of trust issues involved in this connection. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. Maybe lots of you are in twin flame journey here. So in recent past, there was communication between you and your person, but it was very harsh. Yes, you are very straightforward in nature and you are taking your power back here because there is no stability. Four of Wands. You want Four of Wands, but they always in and out of your life. Maybe some trust issues also involved here. So that's why maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life. Then present strength, Four of Cups and Three of Pentacles. So you are missing them for sure because you love this person very honestly, but you want to remain stable here. Yes, you are focusing on your inner strength. You are focusing on yourself here. Especially there is no collaboration, there is no partnership between both of you, especially from their side. They always taking, not giving in return. And future, Six of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, and Five of Cups. So you are missing them a lot. You are feeling sad, you're feeling alone, but you want to shift your focus from this to your work. So you are working hard towards your goals. So you are getting success for your hard work because you are working hard here. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. So Justice under the deck. Yeah, maybe they want second chances. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. They do love you. Wow. So their intentions. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Four of Swords under the deck. Chariot, maybe you're dealing with Cancer. Three of Wands and Two of Wands. They are thinking about you a lot. Scorpio, you are on their mind 24/7. Definitely they want some positive growth in this relationship. And Chariot, so they're coming, but they're in slow moving because right now they're healing themselves from past hurts. They're taking their time, but they're thinking about you a lot. Their current feelings, Seven of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Six of Cups. They do love you. Definitely they're thinking about you and They're thinking that you are very defensive because right now you are guarded up, but they won't let you go very easily. So they want to fight for your attention. They want to fight for your love here because Ace of Cups is Six of Cups. Definitely they are realizing your worth, and their intentions 10 of cups, the moon, and 9 of cups. Yeah, they know there are some issues between you and your person, maybe fightings, arguments, or illusions. They want to fix things with you, and they're wishing and they're praying for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment. And 10 of cups, definitely they want reconciliation with you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. They want this happy family with you. Lot of water energy. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you, and for some the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. But they really want to work on this relationship, and for some you both could be colleagues. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo here. Yeah, right now your person going through some transformation and thinking about you a lot. I think you're also thinking about them a lot. Maybe you have to make some choice. Definitely one person has to make some choice, and you're going through a tougher moment because you also love this person and you're obsessed with this person. I think maybe you're addicted to this person. Maybe you're feeling stuck. Yeah, they're coming. For some, maybe a brand new person is coming into your life. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah, there is love. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. Wow, they're coming back with an apology, but you are in some confusion to make a decision here. But inside of you, definitely you also want this person back into your life, but you are not showing your emotions. Maybe some of you will accept their offer, but some of you maybe you reject. It depends on your situation. Yes, for some it could be one type of ending between you and your person, because due to past hurts, maybe they did hurt you very badly in recent past. That's why maybe you are taking this decision, and for some definitely you will accept. So it depends, because everyone's situation is different from others, but there is love between both of you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. What's up? Third party involved, family issues, holding back. Third party involved, family issues, holding back are the messages from your person end. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. Take time to breathe out. So if you are doing a lot of work, you have no time to take a break, this is the message for you. Take time to breathe out. Yeah, take a break. Maybe it will affect your health also. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius here. Look at the bigger picture. And under the deck, adjustments are required. Third quarter moon. Even though for some there will be reconciliation, but then also there are some adjustments are required in this relationship. Yes. Yeah, it's time to take action. New moon in Aries. Maybe you're dealing with Aries here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Thank you so much.